These are the new Meta Ray-Ban display, and I got to test them, so here's what they can do. Say you're walking down the street and you need directions. You pop up a map to tell you where to go. It appears right here. And to do that, you can see I'm using this. Sensors in this band track electrical signals in your wrist, which lets you control what's happening on the display. So like this is to select something, and this is to scroll. Now say you're talking to someone. Maybe you have a hard time hearing sometimes, or maybe it's loud. So you turn on captions in real time. Even if they're speaking another language, it's translating live in front of me. All of the text and display elements sort of hover at arm's length in front of you, like a hologram. Now say you're relaxing outside. You get a text. You don't open your phone. Instead, you write your reply with your finger. And it was surprisingly good at figuring out my bad handwriting. You can also just talk aloud.
Yes, I'm on my way. Now I'm on my way.
There's a lot more. Maybe you want step-by-step instructions for how to make something from your fridge.
To make an iced matcha latte, whisk matcha powder with hot water and serve over ice.
Or, and this happens to me a lot, maybe you don't know what something is on a menu.
A hearty beef stew cooked in red wine.
Thank you. That looks pretty good.
But what I found most interesting was actually just getting answers to stuff I'm curious about out in the world.
Look at these. What kinds of columns are those?
Those are Corinthian columns.
And of course, maybe you want to take a photo. You can zoom with your hand. And whenever you're taking pictures or recording, a little light turns on so that people know. It doesn't work if you cover it. So if you want to check them out, hurry because stock's running low. You can find a store near you on meta.com or bestbuy.com to book a demo.
Go get yours.